everyone! Today let's go explore a pet store with SiSi on the top floor of the shopping center. Pet Animal House stands as a beacon of joy for animal enthusiasts and their furry companions. From the moment you step through its vibrant yellow entrance, shaped like an adorable animal's head, you are enveloped in a world of warmth, excitement, and the comforting presence of adorable creatures. As you venture further into the store, your senses are immediately overwhelmed by a delightful symphony of sights and sounds. The cheerful chirping of birds, the playful barks of dogs, and the occasional meow of a curious cat fill the air, creating a lively atmosphere that reflects the store's passion for its animal residents. Pet Animal House is a veritable Noah's Ark, housing a diverse array of animals that cater to every pet lover's preference. Whether you seek the companionship of a loyal dog, the playful antics of a mischievous cat, or the exotic beauty of a bird, you're sure to find the perfect match here. The store's commitment to animal welfare is evident in the spacious and well-maintained enclosures that provide each animal with a comfortable and stimulating environment. The staff, composed of passionate animal lovers, is knowledgeable and attentive, ensuring that every creature receives the care and attention it deserves. Beyond its furry residence, Pet Animal House is a treasure trove of pet supplies, catering to every need and whim of your beloved companions. From nutritious food and cozy beds to fun toys and stylish accessories, the store has everything you need to keep your pet happy and healthy. Pet Animal House is more than just a pet store. It's a community hub where animal lovers can gather, share their experiences, and seek advice from knowledgeable staff. The store regularly hosts events, such as adoption drives and grooming workshops, fostering a sense of camaraderie among pet owners. Pet Animal House is a haven for children, who are often captivated by the adorable creatures and vibrant displays. The store's friendly staff is always happy to answer children's questions and share their knowledge about animal care, instilling a love and respect for animals from a young age. Pet Animal House is a place where memories are made, where children's eyes light up at the sight of a fluffy puppy, and where pet owners find the perfect companion to enrich their lives. It's a place where the love for animals knows no bounds, and where every visit is an adventure waiting to happen. Our tour is over. Let's stop by the pet store to chat with adorable animals and play with them.